Alright, we are going to learn how to create a blog. Now, creating a blog, actually a blog can be created using Blogger or WordPress. Okay, so but in this training we are going to be using Blogger, which is owned by Google. So first we open our Chrome. So this is Chrome. Let me create and open another tab. So in this tab I'm going to open Blogger. Type blogger.com. So that's the address, the web address, blogger.com. So we open blogger.com. So if is loading it actually. Now as it is, now looking at this, actually it didn't start from the beginning. I have already created a blog using this browser. Now let's try another browser where I have not logged in with my Gmail account. So before using Blogger, you need a Gmail account first, which I believe you have. You have a Gmail, yours, your email address. Alright, so blogger.com. Okay, so this one is actually for somebody that have not opened Blogger in a particular web address. Browser, I mean to say. Ouch, I've actually opened one here. Now let's try another one. I want us to see from the beginning. Okay, so let's use Firefox. After seeing from the beginning, then we proceed. Okay, blogger.com. all right, so we wait for it to load. After loading, we have to enter our email address. Okay, so from the beginning, as you can see, this is Blogger. From the beginning, for those of you that have not visited Blogger before, it will take you to this page. As you can see, you can read down and get what he's saying and all that. But we are going ahead to sign in. So create your blog. So we're creating a blog. Like I said, you need an email address first. We need an email address. So in this case, I have to log in. Using my email address. Then next. Then you need to put your password. After putting your password, you click next too. Next. No. Alright, so this is just for confirmation to verify. First login in this browser. Okay, so Google has confirmed. Okay, so this is a notification. Yes, and sign in approved. That's 31. This number here 31. Google send you and say you should select a particular number that is displayed here, and that's 31. Okay, but not in all accounts. In some accounts it will log in automatically. Okay, so we are signed in, add a home address and all that. We are going to escape this, so not now. In case if it brings you to this particular page, you can click on not now. So we are going straight to create a blog. Wait for it to load. As you can see, this is where it displays, because I have a blog already. So but if you have not created a blog. Now let's see the screen it is going to bring out. Instead of this particular page, it will bring you to this particular one. Say that okay, exactly this is the first place it will display if you haven't created a blog yet with your Gmail account. Now it says title, address and theme. So these are the three things you need to get started. You need a title for your blog, you need an address for it, then you select a theme. So what's the title? We are going to give it a title, just any title that is going to be catchy and all that you believe that will attract customers. Okay, we can say good living. So let's say the address good living okay, the address is not supported. Okay, so we say good living, you must add dot, then it automatically add blogspot.com. Then you select it and check if it is available. Checking address availability. Sorry, this blog address is not available. Okay, so you just be checking until you get the one that is available. So good living is not available. Let's check. So we can start here. Nature good living. So let's check if it is available. So we select it. Okay, so blog address is available. Alright, so that's exactly what you'll be checking until you get the one that is available. Okay, now we have a theme. You can select any of this theme, any one. Theme is just like the basic layout of your blog. Okay, so and the blog is going to be a landing page. A landing page is just like single page that will display different products or your services which you want people to buy at a particular point of time in time. Okay, so let's check this particular one, Contempo, and then we click create blog. Okay, our blog is working on the background. Okay, so we wait for it to load. Okay, so it has completed. Now what we'll be creating is that it's either we create a post or we create pages. So anyone you want, you can create. If you create a post, you have to bring contents or write contents, get images and put them there. All right, so we are going to create pages. So click on page, click on pages, then it will load the pages. Then you can increase the view and then click on new page. You wait for it to open. It has finished opening, and this is where, as you can see, this, if you have used Microsoft Word, you look at this is similar, almost similar with Microsoft Word 2003. As you can see, this is just like a white paper where you'll be putting your content, your writing, your images, and here above here you can be able to format your content. Now actually, for this main product we'll be promoting Forever products. If you have your own product to promote, it is still the same way. But if you don't have product to promote, it's actually the same way as well. So people are promoting other people's product, making money from it online. Okay, now what we do is that we are going to get some content and images, so we can be able to put them here and use them for our advertisement on Google. So we open another tab. Here. I believe you know how to open a tab. So we have to go and search for the content we are going to use for our blog. Content on a particular niche. So we search for a particular, mainly the some products that are selling out are health products. So you search for any health issue, a solution to it. Okay, let's use an example: high blood pressure. Okay, so we have solution to high blood pressure. Now you'll be looking out for the one that has AD. AD means ad. AD means ad. So AD here means ad. So you look for any of them. As you can see, different people doing the same thing we are to do. As you can see, this one has pyt.blogspot.com. This one is WordPress and all that. So this is just an example of what people are doing and earning money. So we click on the first one and check if actually is forever product. So if it is, then we copy everything there apart from the person's phone number. So you don't go and promote on another person's business and the person get paid, or people will be calling him. Okay, so we check it down. If it is a forever product, then we copy it like this. If you have time to write, you can write all this by yourself. But if you don't have time to write, all you need is okay. You copy and paste. As you can see, this is forever product. All right. So now let's check the price. Okay, the person is okay. Let's check the price here. The price. You see testimonies. You still copy the testimonies, the images. The one that doesn't have any phone number written on it as a watermark. All right, so look at this. Just 30,000, and people are selling this 30,000, making up to you have probably 15,000, 5,000 per sale, depending, 10,000 per sale, depending anyways. All right, so this is forever product. So what do? You go and copy and paste. All right, so how to reduce? First of all, this is the title. You can change the title. You always just paraphrase the title a little bit. So we copy. You open the tab. As you can see, we have different tabs here. If you are using Chrome, it will still be different tabs. So we click on this one. This one is where our blog is. You can increase it. You go up to the title. This is page title, the title. So we can say, if you like, you can just type it by yourself. How to reduce high blood pressure with natural supplements. Okay, now let's just do a little paraphrase. Pressure. Now we say natural okay, so let's say you have natural way to reduce high blood pressure. So that's the title. Now we enter into the body. Go to this the page again. as you can see, we can copy this. I hope you know how to copy and paste. So on the text, you click and hold. As you can see, you see these two signs. You'll drag this one down. You'll be dragging it down. But it's always good you it's always good you download the images first. Okay. As you can see, you can just be going. So I'm holding it down and it's going. Okay, can drag it up a little bit, come down and continue. Drag it up, come down and continue. All right, so this is actually for those using mobile phone, because other ones I'll be using laptop to do the training. But for you to get it, this is just like using mobile phone to do it. But if you are using laptop, it will be more quicker. But I bet you many people are using mobile phone to do this, and they are still making their cash. All right, so that's it. So we are still doing the copy. You can just be copying it one after the other anyways, because if you make a mistake now, which means start from the beginning again. Okay, so still copying. Okay, I think this is the fastest I mean to say. Okay, now we can as well copy everything together, both the images. I think that is going to paste. Okay, I'm pressing it down and down. So we are trying to copy everything once. So drag it up, carry it down again. Okay, so all this, you make sure you go through it, so that if your customer calls you and is asking you a question, you can be able to know what to respond to the person. Okay, like, okay, as you can see, this is phone number, but in the Blogger we are going to remove the phone number. You put your own phone number before you go and advertise another person's business, so you don't afford to make that kind of mistake. All right, after copying it or selecting it like this, you click on copy. So as you have clicked on copy, you go back to your Blogger tab, open your Blogger again, you click and hold it. Make sure you click and hold until, okay, so this is paste at the top of the page, and it has pasted the content. Let's just let's reduce the view, as you can see. So this is it. You go through it, make sure there is no phone number belonging to the person that owns this that is still here. You make sure you remove it. Okay, as you can see, the images as well copied. So in two places you can use the images, something like you can download the images separately and bring them in, but if you don't want to do it like that, you can just copy everything and put it together, paste it together, I mean to say. instead of wasting your time and all that. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. So this person is selling it, the price is 30,000 naira. So here comes the number. So we remove the number here. Go to where the number is. Make sure you remove the number, put your own number. Okay, so we remove this number, put our own number. Okay, so you can go through it again. Alright, so this is the end. Check it very well if there is another number where the person says probably contact me through WhatsApp. Send message info as text message to this. You can say text message or WhatsApp Alright, so that's it. So after this, now assuming you downloaded the images, okay, let's just take a look. This is it. So probably you want to download the images and put it by yourself instead of copying and pasting. Now this is a sample. Okay, let's just take the biggest one. Okay, this is the biggest one which contains the 3 products. So what you do is you click and hold it. You say save image. As you can see, downloading. Okay, it has downloaded. So after downloading those images, come to your blog. You position it exactly where that image is supposed to be. Okay, the image is come first. Alright, so this is where the image is supposed to be. Now assuming we want to add image here, as you can see, so what do? You click. If you let's expand this. Click on this image icon here. This is the image icon. So from the image icon, you wait for it to load. I'll expand this and all that. Alright, so we wait for the image to load, so you can be able to select a particular image and add to your blog. But it's always good you copy and paste. Okay, so we have add images, upload. Alright, so we are going to upload an image here. So look at it. You click on choose files, and you go to file management. Then as you can see, this is the image we saw downloaded. You click on it, it's loading. So I'm just telling you of how again you can add an image apart from copying and pasting. So if you can't copy it and paste, you download it and insert. You wait for it to upload. So after uploading, you select it and then click on add selected. So yeah, it's coming up. So the network, I don't know. Alright, so as you can see, all these products are what you can be selling, not actually taking it to people, maybe your friends or so. You advertise. People that have the problem, they call you, contact you, and do business with you. Okay, so this is the images. You select the image and then click add selected. Alright, so as you can see, we have the 2 images here. That is where I'm just telling you this in assuming you did not copy the image and paste, as if you didn't copy it together with the text. Do you understand? So you select the image. As you can see, the image is on medium. You can make it to be large, you can make it to be extra large. As you can see, the one copied is large actually, so you can, or I think extra large, you can just, okay, this is extra large. As you can see, it's now large like this one, but there's no need adding the image again. So what do? We delete it. So I'm just taking you on this so you know how to add an image on your blog. Alright, so we remove it. It's gone. Okay, alright, so that's it. So what do? after editing it, removing your number, the person's number, and putting your own number, what do? You come over to this extent, to this the end, you then click publish. This is publish. Click on the publish. You wait for it to publish. So after publishing, you can now have access to the page. You can be able to view the page. You can view the page and see the content. Okay. All right. Now, after being published, as you can see, this is still inside Blogger. By the left hand side, you see that pages is being selected. The pages menu is being selected. You can expand it to see the options. Now on this particular one, the title says natural ways to reduce high blood pressure. On your own, you can just remove the reduce and put cure, probably to convince the person. The person might be okay, I just only to reduce. What of curing it? You can just put cure instead of reduce. Alright, now let's click on view. Click on view to actually view it, to make sure everything is fine. So you view it, and when viewing it, that is when you are going to copy the link. If you copy the link, you can use the link to advertise it. You can use the link to paste it probably if you are in a Facebook group that do advertise for businesses, you can post it there. You can actually do the paid ad using Google Ad. Do you understand? Which we are going to learn also. Alright, so this is it. Good living. Natural ways to reduce high blood pressure. So this is what we just created. So you scroll back down, make sure everything is good. This is it. This is the product you're going to be promoting. Okay, make sure that your phone number is still correct, because people will be contacting you using your phone number. Alright, so that's it. Now for you to let's just you make sure you know the name of the product you are promoting. Make sure you know the name. The name is very important. So when people call you, you can be able to tell them, okay, this is this and this is that. Okay, so number one of it is what? Forever aloe vera gel, forever arctic sea omega 3, and forever garlic thyme. Okay, so that's the 3. Now for us to be able to promote this page, for either share it on the Facebook or to advertise it using Google, so what do? Click on the top here. Yes, on the name, on the address bar. Use your hand, press and hold it, and then the copy and paste will appear. Copy, click on copy. It has been copied. So as you have copied it, you can be able to now use it and paste it where you want to do your advertisement, either using Google or pasting it to different groups, and people will be able to immediately they click on this link, they will be directed to what? To your page. After going through the page, if the person wants to buy, the person will now call you and place an order. So that's it. That's how to create the blog. You can create different pages as well. This is just first page we have created. You can create other pages depending on how many products or solutions you want to be promoting. Alright, so thank you.